What's going on YouTube? Jamo TV HD. We out here with this product from MAONO. They sent it to me to give you guys a little review, little rundown of Wagwan. I'm getting Blue Yeti vibes out here. I've never owned a Blue Yeti, but my boy does, and he told me that it's the thing. So anyway, we can see here that we've got USB-C on the side, 3.5mm stuff going on there. You can pre all of that if you want. What we got on the back here as well, microphone capsules, microphone gain. Oh, it's just showing you a diagram of what's on there. And then here you can see Fairy is a multifunctional USB Type-C condenser microphone. Okay, so you guys can read all that if you want to. But yeah, I'm going to just unbox it for you and we're going to give it a little test. I think what I'll do is I'll test it whilst I'm playing some video games so we can kind of see what the quality is saying, you know, for gameplay and streaming, because that's what I'm going to use it for essentially. And I think many people that are buying it, that's what they're going to use it for as well. So yeah, got a little thing here. What is this? I don't know what this is. Little thank you for dropping by with us kind of thing. Cool. All right, put that to the side. It looks like you got a little user manual. It's the AU903. So it's the Fairy microphone. Okay, I'll put the link to this in the description section below as well, guys. So it's just showing you how to connect it up. Cool. Bare diagrams are going on this thing. Bare diagrams. But anyway, you guys can pre that as well in a second. Now this looks like the thing right here. This thing looks wild. This thing looks wild. Have you got the focus going on right here? Ooh, damn. You know when you hold something and it's got that cool metal feel? This is that. This is that. You can feel that quality right there, fam. This feels a little bit... Oh, damn, okay, let me not do that. This feels a little bit mad. I think you can tighten it by twisting. Yeah, there we go. Now it's not flopping about everywhere. Comes with the little stand. Oh, the stand looks like it's had some damage on it still. Is that how it's supposed to come? Is that like a sticker? I think that's... Damn, is that how the stand come? Come kind of... Oh, is it me holding it? What is this, like a memory foam thing? I don't even know what that is. But anyway, comes with a stand. Let me just put that over there for now. Also, in the box, looks like we have the little accessory thing. Let's get some focus on that. Done, no. And I think we should just have a couple of cables in here. So we got a... What is this? USB-C to USB-C cable. Oh, hold on. USB-C to USB-C, and it's got a micro USB there as well. Okay, put that down. Let's see what else we've got in the box. We've got a USB-A to USB-C in the box. Okay, so yeah, it's the first kind of USB-C microphone that I've used. So, boom, that's what we got here. Let's get it plugged in and see what it sounds like during some streaming. Alright guys, so we got the Fairy by MAONO microphone plugged into the computer. We're running a little bit of game capture by Elgato. I'm going to play a bit of Forza, and I'm basically just going to show you the difference between my voice on the Fairy and my voice on the built-in microphone that's in my laptop. So, let me just hit the record. And we should start hitting that young quality of the microphone in my laptop. The microphone in my laptop ain't all that. I mean, obviously every laptop comes with a microphone just so you can, you know, get your feet off the ground kind of thing, but it's not really something that you want to depend on in life. Like, oh my gosh, what was that? That guy properly came in my way, fam. That wasn't even me. Anyway, yeah, so this is what my voice sounds like when I'm using the microphone on my laptop. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just change it to the MAONO Fairy. And let's go again. And here we go, guys. Right, so I've crashed into something. This is my voice on the MAONO Fairy microphone. It should sound a little bit better. I mean, I hope it sounds a bit better. This will be an awkward test if I just take off both of these files and the one... Oh my gosh, what are these people doing? These people can't actually drive. It'll be awkward if I take both of these sound files and the one on my laptop sounds better. So I'm hoping that I'm getting a bit more quality with the MAONO Fairy plugged in. I think I should do, to be honest. I've tested it a little bit before I got onto this. But there you go. Yeah, no, it sounds, hopefully it sounds pretty nice. I'm sitting quite, you know, far back from my laptop. Got the gain there if I want to do that, and I've actually got a little headphone socket in the back of the MAONO if I ever wanted to listen to myself and monitor what I sound like. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hopefully that helps you, so you can tell the difference between the MAONO and the Fairy microphone. I think I'm gonna just end the video here with a bit of this poor Forza game. Damn, I can see why I've not streamed Forza before. Am I that bad? I can't be that bad. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe and like, and man, I'll catch you in the next one. Bless out.